Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Wierzbicki. I'm the 10th grade health teacher here at Hilliard Bradley High School, and I'm really excited about this school year. I'm looking forward to it. I know it's been a rough year for everybody, but the kids, they've done a great job here the past 3 weeks, wearing their mask, social distancing, and all of the things that, we're asking of them. So I'm very proud of them. So just a little bit about myself. I'm starting year 30 in education, and I absolutely love my job. I love coming to work every single day and helping these young men and young women. So next I'm going to go to a different screen here and share this with you. This is my email information, ted_Wierzbicki@hboe.org. And then obviously the school phone number there, just in case you ever need anything. You are not bothering me at all. So my email information is there. And then the next thing that I have here is classroom expectations. These bullet points here, I won't bore you and read all of them to you, but those are basically the classroom rules. The kids have done a great job following these rules so far this year. And like I said, I'm looking forward to being around them, for the next 16 or 17 or 15 weeks probably now, because we're in week 3. So, but that's classroom expectations. And then the next screen here is the class grading. It is points that will be earned for tests, quizzes, so forth. Basically, I just add up how many points they have earned and then divide by the total points. And, it's a real simple system, but and all they have to do is just make sure that they're on top of their work. Nothing's real difficult. It is a lot of work, little assignments, little projects, and so forth. But like I said, we're off to a great start. And then the last and final page here is the topics covered. The topics covered, there are 8 main units, and there are some other things that we will cover, but these are the 8 units, and we'll have some guest speakers and so forth in here if we're allowed, or we'll have some Zoom speakers and talk to them about some very important subjects. So hopefully you guys are having a great start to the school year. I'm so glad to be back in person, at least seeing them a couple days, 2 to 3 days a week. So have a great day. And if you ever need anything, please feel free to email me. If you have any concerns, you're not bugging me. I'm here to help your sons and daughters. Thank you and have a great day.